Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. I am so glad that you are back. So as you can see here, we are going to be testing some yarn on the Sentro machine, or a knitting machine, if you will. So what I have here is my 22 pin machine, and it's just like the very generic version of a Sentro machine. So today's yarn that we are going to be testing is Bernat Fluffee. So Bernat Fluffee is a number 5 bulky yarn, and it is 90% polyester, 10% nylon. And yeah, so here it is. As you can see, it is a very kind of fuzzy yarn. So yeah, I am going to be using this color right here to test because I've already used it in a knitting project, and I wanted to see if it would work in the knitting machine. Now, I did manage to get this to center pull. It was quite the feat, but it is doable. So we're going to be working in tube mode and not panel. So as you can see here, I am going to start on my first peg, and I am just going to cast on the way I normally would. Okay, we're back around. Feed this through. And we are going to see if this will knit. Which I suspect that it will. Because it is a very, very soft yarn. And the Centros tend to enjoy the soft yarns. All right, so far so good. It looks like it's feeding through really well, dropping the stitches down. Looks okay. Now it is very fuzzy, look at this. But I think it's gonna work. Now my only thing about the 22 pin machine, at least this particular version of it, is that there is no tensioning or anything. Like, you have to do everything manually. So, and it has no sticky. You see, I actually put double-sided tape on this, but it's not really sticking. But so far, I'm not seeing any tuck stitches, no dropped stitches. It's actually looking very, very good. Let me get some more tape. Okay, so I went for a little bit of a ways here, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And I'm not going to cast off or anything, I'm just going to pop it off of the machine so we can take a look at it. Move this, Get all my double-sided tape off of here. And here is the one off of the 22-pin machine. Now I'm going to do a quick test. I'm going to do exactly the same thing, except I am going to use the big machine here, and I am going to test the yarn on here. I will let y'all see the process, but I am not going to be talking. Okay, so here are my swatches all done, and as you can see, they came out beautiful. I mean, there is no problems with them whatsoever for both machines, so 48 pin and the 22 pin. Now, my only issue with the 22 pin is that it is very difficult to manage your tension. So yeah, there are some tension issues here and there with the 22, but that's perfectly fine. I'm going to try to find a solution for that, like 3D printing something, but that's for a later date. But yeah, here it is. Came out beautiful. Can make some fingerless gloves with it. Lovely. A lovely hat or a cowl, because this is like super duper warm and soft. Or even making a blanket the way it shows on here. That would be really cute. So I picked up this yarn at Michael's. It was on sale for buy one, get one half off. And I believe they were $12.99 a ball. So these balls are pretty robust. And each one comes with 415 yards. And if you're knitting with that, that is a lot. A lot. Because as you know, knitting uses less yarn than crochet. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with this. I'm excited to make some projects with it. I'm already seeing a hat here, obviously. A very simple hat with a rolled brim. There it is. It's already made. Anyways, guys, I hope this video was helpful and inspires you to go out and buy some yarn to use with your Sentro knitting machine. Anyways, thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!